her ruling on our urgent appeal. Effectively, what she has done is to dismiss the appeal against the police prohibition or police ban of the CCC rally. And while, of course, we await to extract the ruling and decide on our course of action, we take the position that the magistrate has misdirected herself and has not appreciated fully and clearly the provisions of the Maintenance of Order and Peace Act. The contention by the court is that we should have given the police time or the regulating authority time to do consultative processes. She makes reference to 5 days, and yet the rally was today. So it boggles the mind, if I'm to borrow the words of the counsel for the state for the police, boggles the mind why the magistrate would suggest that we should have given 5 days to the police when this matter was urgent, as the rally was today. So she also makes the contention that if the matter was heard perhaps on the 11th, it would have given enough time to the police to do their consultative processes and to do whatever to receive whatever representations would have given. So we disagree with this position.